I'm Bruce Malloy from Community Solutions, and I'm the project leader for Growing Futures program. It's about engaging young people in the community. The basis of this was that they built something that they gave away at the end of it. We built a garden bed and totem poles for a nature-based play group at the Nambour Community Centre. Rather than just sort of hanging out, they're actually giving something back to the community. It's also to help them develop some skills as well. So we did some carpentry skills, some horticultural skills, and a bit of painting and things like that. It gives them a sense of purpose by coming here and doing something for someone else.
It makes me feel good to know that I'm doing something that's going to help the community, that's going to have an impact on the younger ones that are going to grow up and see what people around them have done for them. I enjoy being able to go home knowing that I've done something that's going to make someone else's life and future better.
I think that there's a bit of a stigma around young people, and so having young people come in here and give their time, give their energy, put their love into this garden and give it away to the younger generation, the kids that are actually going to use this, I think spreads throughout the community. Meeting these young people, getting to know them a little bit, and just seeing them actually really engage in what we were doing here, it's really good.